Hey everybody, it's me, Sacred Arrow Saber, and welcome to Slime Rancher. It looks like there are some slimes jumping around, and there might be some different ones. Let's make a new game. Let's call it the Slimy Paradise. That sounds like cool. And we can select an icon. Ooh. This one looks kind of cool, but let's see. Oh, that one's like a disco ball. I want to go with this guy, because it kind of looks like he's wearing headphones. An adventure, live the life of a slime rancher and explore the wonders of the far, far range at your own pace. A relaxed take on adventure mode without any threat of tar slimes. A race against the clock to earn as many new bucks as possible. Let's go with adventure. And I hope we can like collect a bunch of different slimes and keep them, and we might be able to make like a theme park or something out of it. I'm not sure yet. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. Okay, so our name is Beatrix LeBeau, I think. Ooh, it's like a gun. Whoa, we can like suck things in. That's cool. Okay, yeah. Let's move. Oh, whoa, pink slimes. That's cool. Okay, let's jump. I wonder what we were supposed to do. Ooh, what's this? It's like a corral. Yeah, it's a corral. Okay, we can suck things up, yeah? I wanna suck them all up. Ooh, carrots. I suck carrots. Oh, these are my carrots. Back to slime. Okay, let's put that in here. Ooh, more. I just want a bunch of slimes, you know? Okay, I'll feed them carrots, I guess. What happens if I feed them? Well, they shoot out plorts. That's cool. Okay, what we sell these? Do we sell these? They're like poops and we sell them. That's weird though. Okay. Well, I want to find more of these. I'm not sure what. Ooh, what are these? Hens. Okay. Do you guys eat these too? Well, no, I guess they're not hungry. Ooh, a chickadee. Little chicken. Oh, a chickadee. It's like a baby hen. Okay. Ooh, wait. It says we have some Gmail, yeah, like Gmail. Maybe that's like in the house. Do we have a mailbox? It doesn't look like it. Maybe it's in the house. Oh, there. Star Mail. Welcome to the Far Far Range, the 7Z Corporation. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Far Range. Welcome, and extend our support in your bold new venture as a slime rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range. Until you get more familiar with your surroundings, traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. The 7Z Corporation, providing the tools you need to get the job done for us for a small fee. Okay, sounds cool. Where's this shop? Is that it? Is this it? Oh no, this is... I don't think this is it. This is offline. Ooh, maybe this is it. Yeah, backpack upgrades. Ooh, a jetpack. Yeah, looks like we can... These are like our sucky things. Ooh, another hen. I'll feed that to my pink slimes. Okay, I guess they're still not hungry yet. They have a lot of hunger. Ooh. Come here. I just want to collect a lot of you. Whoa, there's so many. Oh, okay, what's this? Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hudson Twilgers, rancher explorer and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to you. Okay. Oh, there you are. Let's grab some carrots, more pink slimes, more carrots. There's a lot of carrots. A lot of pink slimes too, I guess. Hey, you can't just escape. I know I can. Oh, you gonna get him? Okay, I got him. Ooh, what are these? They're pogo fruit. They look like kind of like pomegranates. I guess that's why they're called pogo fruit. Ooh, more. Can we use that? Yeah, we can. I'll collect more of you. I don't think I should collect too many. I don't think I can put them all in one plot area. I think that should be enough. Plus, I don't think I can hold that many more. Oh, we can't hold any more carrots. We're maxed. Okay, what's this? Blow it up. Do blow it up like this? Oh, okay. Money. Ooh, hen. Okay, we're not collecting that. We don't need you. Oh, more of these. Oh. Ooh, more parts. Can make some good money off of this. Oh, what's this way? Oh, this is a cool area. There's a bunch of slimes. Ooh, so many plorts. So many free plorts. Ooh, more photo fruits. We're almost full on that. There's so many pink slimes everywhere. Ooh, a new slime. Oh my goodness. This one just like came out of nowhere. Largo slimes. Oh, that's how they make Largo slimes. Is this a Largo slime? It's like way bigger than everything else. I wanna make you fly. I wanna make you fly, little dude. Well, he's not really little. Oh. He goes pretty far. This thing's got some good suction. Oh, a different kind. It looks like it's rocky. Oh my god! It came out of nowhere. Okay. Is there anything else? I don't think so. Oh, let's not go that way. That would be a bad idea. I wonder what happens if you die. Can you even die in this game? Oh, I think I saw something back there that I wanted to check out. Wait! That's not the guy you sent over. That one has rocks on his back. Yeah. Is there also ocean this way? Because it looks like we can get on top of here. Ooh, no? Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? It says locked. I guess we can't open it. I want to get up there. Ooh, no, don't leave. Whoa. I want to get over there, but it doesn't look like we can get up there from here. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay, well, I guess that didn't work. Maybe we can get here from the bush. Oh, maybe. Yes! Ooh, what are these? Oh, I don't want to... Yes. Okay, go that way. Yes. What are these? Heartbeats. Okay, so it's a veggie. That's cool. Oh, what's... I wonder... Can we get there from there? Wait, what's this way? Ooh, more of these. Whoa! This is another treasure pod. It looks different though. Maybe it's like a rare kind. We can't unlock it though. It looks like we got more of that sawmill. Let's not die here though. giant slime. What do we do with you? Oh, we're out of space. Can we just feed it? Oh, it takes a lot of food. It takes a lot of food. Oh my god. Dude, we feed him 20. What's gonna happen? Oh. Okay, don't. Whoa. He like exploded into a lot of chunky slimes. Okay, you're gonna go eat the pogo fruit. Okay, what's inside of here? Rock slime and ooh, Q-berry. That's a cool fruit. Oh no, I was gonna take that. That's okay. Ooh, a cool floor. Oh well, no. I need this. Okay, where? Oh, we need those plorts. I remember I threw them off. We still need those. Oh, whoa. What is this? Ooh, we got more pieces of the map. Map data acquired. Ooh. Yes, we can access our map. Okay, there's a lot of stuff over here that I don't think I can do yet. Oh man, that's just so many things. I wonder if we can make like a thing. We'll get there later. We need to go back to our house. I wonder if we can feed our... Oh, we can probably feed our slimes a bunch and make some good money. I wonder what we should do with our money though. Yeah, those are all our plorts. We'll get them. We don't have space right now. It's becoming night, but I think we can spare one more trip. Let's put a couple more of you guys in here. I think that's enough. You guys can all stay over there. I like some free roaming slimes on my area. Ranch. Oh, yeah, we need to feed them carrots. I don't want to feed them any of the stuff that I don't have that much of, like the fruits. Let's go pick up our plorts as well. Okay, let's try not to pick up any slimes. Not very good. Okay, last one. Last one's right here. Nope, can't go through the wall. Okay. Ooh. These ones we give them reports. Okay, let's go back one more time. Hope there's not any bad things. Okay, there's still plorts here. That's okay. Point. Here we go. That's our max. Let's go back and sell them all. I wonder if we can make like gardens. Because I saw when I opened the corral that you could make upgrades and add the garden to it. 500. That's good. Ooh, we can make more stuff. Oh, yes, we can make a garden. Okay, let's make this. Yeah, a cube tree. It's like a tree cube. Ooh, that's a lot of them. I didn't know we were going to grow that many. I thought we were only going to grow one. And if we planted it again, we could grow more. I guess that's good. But I want to make a garden for these guys as well. Another garden. Yes. Ooh, like patches of soil are growing out of the ground. Ooh, yes. Very good. Okay, you guys can have these vegetables. Okay. I think we should sleep now. I wonder... Oh, we got some more star mail. Rise and shine from Casey. Hi, B. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. The 7Z puts you in a pod and lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck, B. If anyone can make it out there, it's you. Casey. Okay. That's cool. Well, we need to sleep until morning. Okay. Next, 6 o'clock. Rise and shine, everybody. I bet my slimes are hungry now, though. Yeah. Ooh, our food is grown. Very good. You guys also need care Oh, so many.
It's your boy.
So many. Nice, 14. That's good. I bet you guys are really hungry. Want some Q berries? Pew 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 pew. Oh, they all just want it. All of them want it. Oh, they're all so hungry. I bet I can make a lot of money off of these guys. These guys are like my treasure trove of money. Money. Lots of money. Yes. The best. Very good money. Oh, I'm gonna make so much. Dude, if it's this easy, I can just sleep, then make money, and then sleep again. It's like real life, but better. No, they're only worth 9 now. Is this like trade? Oh, it's going, I should have like stockpiled them and like saved them for later. Made a lot of money though. I wonder if we can go somewhere else. I think I saw another one of those H messages from that Hobson guy. They're all hungry here. Oh, we'll grab plorts along the way because there's a lot of them. Oh, and we might want to get some new slimes as well because we can get. I saw on the trade machine or whatever that we could get like different kinds of plorts. And I wonder if we can get plorts. Oh my goodness! Don't hurt me like that. No. Are they hostile? Doesn't look like it. Oh no, I bet all these guys are hungry. Oh, this is the plort. Awesomeness. So many. So many. This is some good money. Oh no, I don't want chickens. I don't wanna I'm gonna die soon. So I'm running into those guys. Ooh, some more pogo fruits. Okay, here it is. This entire cave system was sealed out from a cave-in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellows up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. I have food. Are they like... Oh, there's a lot of them. Okay, here you go. Food. Oh my god. They're so scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. Get away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. They like blow up. Do they die when they get into the sunlight? Do they die? I don't know if they die. Let's try to not bleed it. Okay, no. Ah, come on, man. Let's get out of here. That guy was scary. I wonder if there's more of them. I didn't see anything in there, though. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh. What is this? Above my money it says that I have like a key. Oh, I remember I got one when I blew up that giant guy. Giant pink guy. Okay, let's sell these before they go down more. I wonder what's that used for. Let's grab up some more plorts from our guys. We actually made some good progress. We did a lot, it seems. I don't know though. Yeah, 464. Maybe we can make another one of these, or maybe we can upgrade it. I want to upgrade it. High walls, 350. That's a big investment. Oh, let's get a jetpack. Okay. Yes. Yes, that's so cool. We ran out of energy though. Maybe we should get the energy booster thing too once we have enough. Can we go this way? No, it seems like it's blocked off. Maybe can we like Oh yeah, we have to buy it, I guess. How much does this way cost? Yeah. Ooh, looks like there's a wreck over there. Some kind of laboratory. Oh, 10,000. That's a lot of money. I don't think I'll ever get that much. What about over this way? Oh, maybe there's some secrets. Some fruit. Oh, that's not the way to go. In any case, you guys can have these. Oh, I went too far. It's okay. We have some other suns. I don't need them up. This way, I mean, yeah, it costs also the same as the cave area over there. Anyways, I think that wraps it up. Next time, I think we might be able to get that upgraded more. Oh wait, let's check our star mail and then star mail. Thor, welcome to the Range Exchange, Thor West. Hi there, Beatrix. Name's Thor West. I'll keep my introduction short. We all got work to do. I'm a long-time ranger here on the Far Range and headed the welcome wagon for your local ranch exchange. The ranch exchange is a network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade what they got for what they need. Slimes, plorts, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the range exchange machine daily and be sure to get your trade completed within 24 hours. Oh, so this is that range exchange thing that was offline. Maybe it'll be online now. As more rangers get added to your network, you should receive a hearty hello from them, so check your inbox. Well enough, John. We both got slime to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix. Okay. Anyways, yeah, that's cool. We might be able to check that out next time. I also saw a way past that area that we went, and we might be able to go through the cave to see what's on the other side. This jetpack is actually pretty nifty. And we might be able to get, like, some of those rock slimes. The cat slime. I didn't get to see what it was actually called. But, we might be able to get the corrals for those. That'll be pretty cool. And, like, we could get, like a silo. We can, like, store stuff in there. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Anyways, I think that wraps it up for today. Bye everybody, and see you next time.